Hey everyone, welcome back to EvotechX, your go-to spot for the hottest, craziest tech on the planet. Today, we're counting down 10 incredible Amazon gadgets that'll leave you absolutely speechless. Let's get right into it. First up, the JSoft Flip Go. Imagine having a full dual monitor setup in your backpack. This genius device stacks vertically or side by side, instantly turning your laptop into a productivity powerhouse. Perfect for designers, coders, students, you name it. It's lightweight, magnetic, and can run off a single cable. Work from the cafe, the park, even the backseat of an Uber. Flip it, stack it, transform your workflow anywhere, anytime. Now, get ready for full immersion with the Gadget G3X. This lightweight AR headset throws a massive screen right in front of your eyes, perfect for movies, games, and even spreadsheets. It's super comfortable, ridiculously clear, and way more affordable than you'd expect. No bulky VR helmet, no eye strain, just pure visual bliss. It's like carrying a personal IMAX theater on your face. Check this out, the Morph Strap. It's not just a phone strap, it's a selfie stick, a wearable band, a flexible hanger, even a pop socket, all in one sleek accessory. It bends, locks, and morphs into whatever you need whenever you need it. Whether you're taking epic selfies, filming TikToks, or just chilling, the Morph Strap's got your back. Twist it, snap it, rock it. Explorers and adventurers meet the right in the Rain Trekker pen. This thing writes anywhere, rainstorms, snow, muddy trails, even underwater. It's military-grade tough with a pressurized ink cartridge that never quits. Clip it to your gear and forget about soggy, smudged notes forever. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or extreme note-taker, this pen's a must-have. Light up your world with the twinkly matrix. This isn't just another LED display, this is a programmable, pixel-perfect showpiece. Smooth animations, vibrant colors, custom designs, you can map out epic visuals straight from your phone. Deck out your gaming setup, party room, or holiday decor. One word: mesmerizing. Next, the survival must-have, the Running Snail Emergency Crank Radio. When the grid goes down, this bad boy keeps you powered. Crank it, solar charge it, or use the built-in battery. Get weather alerts, light your way with the flashlight, and even charge your phone. Whether you're camping or caught in a blackout, you'll never be out of the loop, or out of juice. No outlets? No problem. The AdTop portable solar power bank stores a whopping 25,000 milliamp hours. That's enough to charge your phone 5 times over. Plus, it's got solar panels to keep you powered when you're off-grid. Hikers, travelers, students, this is freedom in your pocket. Turn up the party with the EvotechX X1. This isn't just a karaoke machine, it's a full entertainment station. Built-in tablet, epic sound system, dual wireless mics, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It's ready for any jam session. Family night, road trip, backyard party. It's always time to sing your heart out. Coffee freaks, you need the Wakako Minipresso GR. This handheld espresso machine needs no electricity, just your own hands. And boom, fresh espresso anywhere. On a hike, at the beach, on a mountain, you name it, you brew it. Small enough for your bag, powerful enough for your cravings. And for the adventurers on 2 wheels, the Moto 2 GPS Navigator. It's got a glove-friendly touchscreen, huge visibility even under sunlight, and it laughs in the face of rain and dust. Perfect for long road trips, cross-country adventures, or just finding your way around the city. Wherever you ride, Moto 2's got you covered. Which of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because here at EvotechX, the future's already here.